Alright, this is how to easily record the screen of your PC with Canva. Alright, we know Canva is used most times for graphics editing, but you can use it to record video now. So first is to launch your web browser. Visit canva.com and log in. Once you log in successfully, you will see the video tab here. Click on that video. You will be given some options, and our interest here is on screen recording. So I'll click on screen recording. Now here is giving instructions on what to do. In a summary, it wants you to install it as a desktop application. Then from there you start using to record screen. So I'll click on download Canva Desktop App. I'll wait for it to finish downloading for us to go on with installation. We are taken to this page. I'll click on download Canva for Windows because I'm using Windows PC right now. Okay, it's done downloading. So let's go through my Files Explorer to get it. I'll click on File Explorer, then downloads. Then look at it, the application file. I will double click on it. So it's installing. So it has opened. So I'll accept all cookies. Click on login. So once you log in successfully, you'll find yourself on an interface that looks like this. The email address here is hidden for security reason. The next step is to click on yes, continue to Canva app. So here I'm logged in, and let's now start the record of the screen again. Okay, but here I'm on the app. So I'll click on video again. Then I'll click on screen recording. So I'll click on start recording. Okay, so you can see my picture is here and it's showing me how it will look like, but it's kind of dark because I don't want my face to show here. There's no lightning here. So the next step is to click on record, and once you click on record, you can open a new app on your PC and start recording what you want to record. Okay, which after that you see this dialog again. Here you click on stop, okay, for it to be stopped, and the video is placed in the timeline. It's left for you to start the editing, which after the editing you export it.